Hello friends, I'm starting with the new question number 8 from Pathfinder KINEMATICS. So I'm start to read these questions. Two cars A and B simultaneously start a race. Velocity V of the car A varies with the time T according to the graph as shown in the figure. So this is the graph is given, and in this graph the velocity of A is varying. Okay, it acquires a velocity. Look at this point. Okay, so it is saying that it acquires a velocity 50 meter per second few seconds before t equal to 100 second. Means if the car a start and going with the straight line motion, then at t is equal to 100 second, it is moving with the speed of 50 meter per second. This is the velocity. So velocity is continuously varying. So means the v is a function of time. Here the velocity of a is a function of time. So we can say that the distance from here to here is nothing but it is equal to the 0 to 100 vdt. Okay, very nice. Thereafter moves with this speed. Okay, car B runs together with the car A till both acquires a velocity 20 meter per second. Okay, so next point is saying that there is a one car, another car B, and this car B is also moving with same way v equal to f of t for 20 meter per second. The both are moving with this 20 meters. So let's assume somewhere here the velocity of a is 20 meter per second, and similarly the velocity of b is also 20 meter per second. Okay, so now what is happening? After this, car B moves with the velocity 0 acceleration. After this, car B moves with the velocity 0 acceleration for 1 second. Means from t time, this is the time t, and from here to here the car B is moving with the constant velocity for 20 meter per second. Very nice, superb. Now and then follows velocity diagram. Then is it follows the velocity diagram, time diagram, and it is delay. It is saying that the part that a with the delay of 1 second. Okay, always 1 second. So if it is reaches here, then 100 second will cover of this one is somewhere here. T is equal to 100 second. So in this way, the car B acquires a velocity 50 meter per second 1 second after one. So this point is B velocity, or here 100 1 second. Again, I am reading the entire situation. What is question is saying that there is a two cars A and B. Car A and B initially both are moving in the same way with same velocities. So I am consider the both are moving with the same way. This A is moving with the velocity v equal to f of t, and B is also moving with the velocity v equal to f of t, till the both are acquire a speed of 20 meter per second. Now, after 20 meter per second acquired by the B is moving with a constant speed. This is the constant speed for 1 second. Okay, and then it is covering, then it is going again follow the same way. So this distance is again going with a v equal to f of t, and this is also v equal to f of t. So if I am writing, suppose if I am writing the distance covered by A from 0 t equal to 0 to t equal to 100 second, it is nothing but SA is equal to, we can write the 0 to 100 VDT. Simply I tell you already here. Okay, now if I am talking about the distance covered by B from 0 to 100 time, so distance covered by B from 0 to 100. So you can say that AR. You can say that from 0 to t it is going with the speed of Vt. V is a function of time. So 0 to t V dt. And then from 1 second it is going with a constant speed. So 20 into 1. Plus again from this t plus 1, this time is t plus 1 to 100, it is v dt. So if a question is saying that how much more distance delta s does the car A cover in the first 100 seconds as compared to B. So my dear friends, if you talk, then you can say that, sir, in 1 second. So for 1 second, let's say 100 second, it is almost the velocity is reaches up to 50 meter per second. So in 101 second, the A is for from t equal to 100 to t is equal to 101 second. The distance covered by A is let's say XA. XA is 50 into 1, that is called 50 meters. So in 101 second, 100 to 1, 50 meter per second. And during this 1 second, this is traveling 20 meter distance. You saw this is traveling 20 meter per second. So for B car, during 1 second, it is covering a displacement 20 meter. So extra distance is so nothing but it is equal to 50 minus 20, that is called 30 meters. So we can say that delta S is 30 meters. So in 100 second, the delta A is covering a more distance as compared to B. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. Your answer is A.